Hello everyone, I'm Vikram P. Maduri here, and this is the quiz tree on SAP S4 HANA ABAP. I'm an SAP architect, and welcome to JH Softech. And let's start the session. And before starting this, I would suggest you to be ready with a pen and paper, and you can write down the answers that you expect it to be correct, and then you can check with the right answers in the very next slide after I discuss with you the question. So there will be a question in one slide, the answer will be in the immediate next slide. So you have to be ready with that, and you can check what exactly is your score, and you can keep doing it for a couple of days, a couple of times, so that you can be perfect with all the questions. And this would be very helpful for you for attending for the certification program, or for attending the job interviews, or for upgrading your skills in the ABAP project. Okay, so this is the 52nd question that we have. Name some perspectives that are available in the SAP HANA Studio. There are three correct answers for this question. So one is the SAP HANA Modeler perspective, SAP administration, the administration console perspective, the C, the resource perspective, D, the information perspective, and E, the technology perspective. So these are the five options that we have here. So the right answers are A, B, and C. A, the SAP HANA Modeler perspective, B, the administration console perspective, and C, the resource perspective are the right answers. 53rd question, in which of the following situations could a row store table be more suitable than a column store table? There are two correct answers for this question. So A, the table contains data that you want to aggregate. B, the table contains only a small number of records. C, the table contains mainly distinct values per column across rows. D, the table contains text that you want to search. The answers are B and C. The table contains only a few number of records, or the table contains mainly distinct values per column across rows. 54th question, what are the key points that should be kept in mind while performing the non-automatic? So there are two correct answers for this. So A, changes for delta container. B, you need to refresh the content of the container manually. C, take snapshot manually before releasing of the container. D, automatic release of the units. So the answers are B and C. B, you need to refresh the content of the container manually. C, take snapshot manually before releasing of the container. 55th question, explain transitioning ABAP code to SAP HANA performance considerations. There are three right answers for this. We need to choose all the three right answers. A, some codes impacted positively and should be priorities. B, some code immediately run faster. C, classical performance recommendations for OpenSQL remain valid. D, some shifts in priorities, example nested selects, higher indices lower, these have to be taken care. And E, some code transfer to other systems. So the right answers are B, C, and D. Whenever we have the transitioning between ABAP code to SAP HANA, the performance considerations should be B, some code immediately runs faster. C, classical performance recommendations for OpenSQL remain valid. And D, some shifts in priorities, example nested selects, higher indices lower, and all these things are applicable. So 56th question, what is the limitation of ALV for SAP HANA? There are three right answers for this. A, restricted to 5000 records per unit. B, without currency or unit consideration. C, no unit currency split if aggregating amount transfer currencies values. D, restricted to 10,000 records. E, all unit currency restricted to 10,000 records. The right answers are B, C, and D. B, without currency or unit considerations. C, no unit currency split if aggregate amounts or currency values. D, restricted to 10,000 records. 57th question, what are the steps involved in supporting a database oriented programming model? There are two right answers for this. A, buffer system services. B, advanced and specific models. C, a new and advanced OpenSQL. D, core data services. So the answers are C and D. A new and advanced OpenSQL, and D, core data services. 58th question, what are the purposes of tools in SAP HANA system, that is an Eclipse-based integrated development environment? There are three right answers for this. A, organizing. B, selecting. C, administer. D, monitor. E, configure. The right answers are C, D, and E: administer, monitor, and configure. 59th question: what are the features associated with the SAP ABAP CDS? There are three right answers for this: A, distribution; B, export; C, read; D, update; E, create. The right answers are C, D, and E: read, update, and create. So 60th question: the source code editor in ADT provides many helpful features. What are these helpful features? There are two right answers for this: A, creating model implementations from the method definition; B, creating method definitions from implementation parts; C, creating parts for interface methods; D, creating interfaces from method calls. So the right answers are A and B, creating method implementations from the method definition, and B, creating method definitions from implementation parts. So 61st question: explain the enterprise information system of SAP HANA implementation scenarios. The three right answers for this: A, HANA Modeling; B, HANA Accelerators; C, Business Suite on HANA, BW on SAP HANA; D, all SAP applications on one SAP HANA platform; or E, all HANA combinations on one platform. So the answers are B, C, and D. B, HANA Accelerators; C, Business Suite on HANA, BW on SAP HANA; D, all SAP applications on one SAP HANA platform. 62nd question: ANSI SQL owns, features, and adds a language. These languages divided into three parts. What are they? There are three right answers for this: the database language; data manipulation language; C, the data definition language; D, the data control language; E, data transfer language. So the right answers are B, C, and D: data manipulation language, the data definition language, and the data control language. 63rd question: hybrid data management system combining different paradigms in one system. Discuss capabilities associated with the hybrid data management system. So there are three right answers for this: A, traditional disk based tables; B, text analysis and search; C, built-in support for planning; D, text indexing capabilities; and E, linguistic search capabilities. The right answers are A, B, and C: A, traditional disk-based tables; B, text analysis and search; and C, built-in support for planning. 64th question: what are the features associated with ABAP CDS? There are three right answers for this: A, distribution; B, export; C, read; D, update; and E, create. The right answers are C, D, and E. C, read; D, update; and E, create. So what are the two profitability analysis available with COPA scenario in SAP HANA modeling? There are two right answers for this: A, service based profitability; B, costing based profitability; C, accounts based profitability; and D, product based profitability. The right answers are B and C, costing based profitability, and C, account based profitability. So 66th question: which of the following is not an element of analytical view? Please choose the right answers. A, joint fact tables; B, read table from the joint based tables, database tables; C, currency conversion in is not applicable; D, used to join tables. The right answer is C, currency conversion is not applicable. 67th question: what all are the steps to perform to enable type ahead for an input field on a screen? There are three right answers for this: A, check prerequisites; B, identify elementary search help; C, switch on proposal search for input fields; D, process on all the input fields; E, automatic updates of all the input fields. So the answers are A, B, and C. A, check prerequisites; B, identify elementary search help; C, switch on the proposal search for input fields. 68th question: what allows you to resolve errors quickly or warnings reported about the code? Choose the right answer: A, ABAP debugger; B, quick fix; C, code execution; and D, debug perspective. The right answer is B, quick fix. 69th question: which of the following tool is introduced as a holistic quality assurance tool? You have to choose the right answer: A, DBMS cockpit; B, the BW system; C, ABAP test cockpit; or D, database analysis cockpit. So the right answer is C, ABAP test cockpit. 70th question: what should you do to follow the code to data approach to programming? There are two correct answers for this. You have to select both the answers. A, perform expensive calculations on database. B, transfer all data from the database to the ABAP layer and then aggregate the results. C, aggregate data on the database and transfer the results to the ABAP layer. D, perform expensive calculations on the ABAP application server. So the right answers are A and C. So perform expensive calculations on database, and C, aggregate data on the database and transfer the results to the ABAP layer. 71st question, what are the uses of SQL Trace ST05? A, applying code inspector. B, display record of all database access. C, detect redundant or identical select statements. D, locate database performance issues. E, locate work-based issues. The right answers are B, C, and D. B, display record of all database access. C, detect redundant or identical select statements. D, locate database performance issues. 72nd question, Open SQL largely standardized three sublanguage as a three sublanguages. What are the sublanguages that we have? Three right answers are there. A, data evaluation language. B, data transfer language. C, data manipulation language. D, the data definition language. Or E, the data control language. So the right answers are C, D, and E, data manipulation language DML. D, the data definition language DDL. E, the data control language DCL. 73rd question, discuss the main capabilities of SAP Business Objects Analysis for Office. The two right answers for this, we have to select both the right answers. A, suggests style sets for crosstabs. B, sort data by characteristics. C, analyze data with the design panel. D, convert crosstab cells to formula. So the right answers are C and D, analyze data with the design panel. D, convert crosstab cells to formula. 74th question, which is not a golden rule for OpenSQL? A, keep the result set large. B, minimize the amount of data transferred. C, minimize the number of database accesses. D, reduce the database load. So the answer is A, keep the result set large. 75th question, to upload data from flat files, SAP HANA offers several features. What are the important features that we have here? And there are two right answers for this. A, the new table always has a 2:2 mapping between the file and the table columns. B, when loading new data in the table, it gets appended to the existing data. C, the application suggests the column name and data type for the new tables and it is possible to edit them. D, the supported file types of upload are .csv or .xls and .xlsx. The right answers are B and C. B, when loading new data in the table, it gets appended to the existing data. C, the application suggests the column name and data type for the new table and it is possible to edit them. Those are the two right answers for this. So we have covered from 51st question to 75th question, and I'm going to take it forward from there in the next session, wherein we'll start from 76th question to we'll complete till 100. Okay. Thanks for watching this video and taking up the quiz actively. And for any kind of SAP S4 HANA trainings, you can contact us at info@jsoftech.com. And if you like our videos, do subscribe to our channel www.youtube.com/jsoftech, and also do share our videos with your friends. It might help some of them to get jobs and to upgrade themselves to the latest technologies, and also to clear the certification as well. Thank you and have a great day.